is Yuhine, and my backup singer, James R. Ang. And I will sing Gara ng Bata, Sana Lahat Ganito. And hope you like it! Oh, wait. Diba? Sabi mo, hope you like it. Hope you like it. And ready, get set, go. Pwede po na po tayo. Mag-pray muna tayo. Hoy, ganito muna, oh. Ganito, magpe-pray tayo. Tungo tayo.
Kanta ka na.
I want to love you more. You are a great big God. I'm young and not know a lot. Come and be my all. I want to love you more, giving you my life and all. You died for me, sacrifice. I won't forget you, Lord. I love you, Jesus. I go up loving you. I love you, Jesus. I like to sing for you. I love you, Jesus. I like to sing for you. Never forget. Never forget. Go up knowing you. Ang sakit. Nauntog ako. No, James na to. Paki-video nga to. Pangit na. Ayun, backup singer ko. Ano, binanongya ako. Ginanon ako. Kakamta pa ako. Gusto kong kumanta. Ang kakantahin ko ay ano ba alam mong kanta? Wait a minute. Kabayong Bundit. Ano kaya maganda? My Destiny! Oh my God! Ano mo yan? Oh,
Ganyan, kasi mo yun.
Chorus agad. Pwede. Sige.
Oh, James, back up ka.
Ayoko.
Back up.
Di ko kailangan ng backup.
Back up.
Baby, you're my destiny.
Huwag mong pala kayo mo.
James! My heart so big.
James!
My heart and all my soul. And give my love to heaven. And give my love, my destiny. My destiny.
Kanta ka na lang doon.
Baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. My heart and all my soul. And give my love to heaven, Lord. And give my love to destiny. I will be here. Thank you.
Pati kayo, nag-isip si Lolo.